friends. So today we are reading We Are All Alike, We Are All Different. And you're not going to believe this, but this book was written and illustrated. So the words and the pictures were done by a group of kids in kindergarten. So kids actually made this book. It's a really special book about how we're all alike and how we're all different. So let's read it. We are all alike. We are all people. That's true. I'm a person. Are you a person? Just checking. We are all different. We do not look the same. We have different color eyes. We have different color hair. Some of us have curly hair. Some of us have straight hair. Some of us wear glasses. So that's for sure. None of us look the same. We all look totally different. We all have different colored skin, different color hair, different color eyes, different kinds of hair. Nobody in this world looks exactly alike. We have different color skin. Some of us have darker skin. Some of us have lighter skin. What color is your hair, your skin, and your eyes? Maybe take a peek in the mirror later after this story and look at your skin, your hair, and your eyes and think about how you look. And then maybe think of a friend, maybe from our class, and think about their skin, their eyes, and their hair color. And think about how you guys look different, but you're still friends. We are all alike. We all have bodies. I have a body. Do you have a body? Yeah, I'd say so. We are all different. Some of us are girls. Some of us are boys. Some of us are big. Some of us are little. What does your body look like? Definitely different than other people's. We are all alike. We all have families. That's true. We have people in our lives that love us. So families can all be different. I'll read that on the next page. But families can all be different and have all different people in them. We are all different. Some of us live with moms. Some of us live with dads. Some of us live with moms and dads. Some of us live with grandmoms and granddads. And some of us live with brothers and sisters. Every family is different. You guys see the pictures? Look at all these different families right here. But there's one thing I see in all these pictures. Love. Some of us look like our moms and dads. Some of us look different from our moms and dads. What is your family like? So take a minute and think about your family and who's in your family and how much love there is in your family. We are all alike. We all live somewhere. That's true. I live somewhere. I live right here in this house, which is our classroom too. But everybody lives in different places. We are all different. Some of us live in the city, like Everett. Some of us live in the country. Some of us live in apartments. Some of us live in houses. Some of us live in trailers. Where do you live? So think about where you live and think about where maybe one of your friends lives or your grandma or your grandpa lives. They're all different places, but each of these places is your home. It's where your family is. It's where all your love is. We are all alike. We all eat. We are all different. We like different foods. What do you like to eat? So I know maybe there's something that I like that maybe you don't like, and there might be something that you like that I don't like. All people like all different foods. We are all alike. We all like to play. That's for sure. We are all different. Some of us like to pretend. Some of us like to climb. Some of us like to read. Some of us like to play ball. What do you like to do? So maybe next year when you're in kindergarten and you have recess outside, there might be kids that like to play the same things as you, and there might be kids that like to play different things than you. And maybe not even in kindergarten, maybe if you go to the park. There's kids sometimes that maybe want to do the same thing as you, and then there are kids off doing different things. Kids think different things are fun. We are all alike. We are all different. We are a family. So everyone on this earth should be nice to each other. No matter how you look or you sound or you act, you should be nice to each other because we're all alike and we're all different. And that's what makes us special. These are the kids that made this book right here. I think they're probably a little older by now. This book was made kind of a long time ago. It was made in 1991. Yep, those kids are definitely older now. But what a special book they wrote. That's really a nice book, and we got to enjoy it together. We are all alike. We are all different. All right, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.